I am leaving now to go pick up the dog. I'm nervous. Honestly, like I'm mostly excited just because I wanted a dog for so long. Like I'm honestly just mostly excited. And I just can't wait to see him and get him and just start loving him.
Oh my god. Bendito, they think this is an airport. This is like, the runway is like somebody's backyard.
Mira qué chulería, qué pequeño y todo, qué chula. Chiquitín airport. We're like New York tourists in here.
Everyone arrives at the same place and everyone departs from the same place. Like 5x6 little area.
It's so
God,
cute.
an airport.
They coño, mira, they got a little magazine counter y todo. And mira, they got a cafe y todo. Qué chulería. I feel like I'm in a museum where they're showing you like a little airport. Restrooms. And they got it all decorated and shit. They probably only needed like one box of decorations for the whole place. This is so cute. See, in this cute little diner. Look how cute, guys. I really feel like we're like in a comic book right now. Tea, a little tea. Clink to the new doggy. We're early. Don't mind my hair. I thought it looked cute, but it's a little messy.
That's messy, yeah, that's cute.
So we're early. Still an airport.
It's a toy airport.
A toy airport. It really looks like you're like in a little Christmas village and you're like inside of it. That's how it feels.
Yes.
Like it doesn't
like
even.
We're two dolls in a little play.
It doesn't even feel real.
It is so cute.
I hope nobody thinks we're being disrespectful.
You know, because we're always around big things.
Yeah, like in the city, you know, everything is
Big.
But here it's so little and cute, like I can't. So we're early. What time is it? It's 2:23. Oh, we're not that early. The flight has probably already landed, I think. Let's see. Atlanta. Oh, and now it says 3:03. I gotta look at the flight number. I gotta look at the flight number. So we're early, so we're just having some tea, waiting for the puppy. Putting some milk in my tea. Don't worry, guys. Next week when I go to London, I won't put any milk in my tea. Although, a lot of British people say that they put milk in their tea anyway.
I put milk in my tea all the time. Just a drop. I only put
just a drop, yeah.
Because sometimes tea can be bitter or tart.
Yeah, it gives it just a little extra creaminess. That's it. My dog is here. Let's find out. That's him. I think that's him. Oh my god. This is him, guys. My little baby. Oh my god. Aww. Hi. Oh, look at his little face. Oh my god, I can't wait to get him out. Hi, baby. He's just trying to take in his environment. Yeah. Oh. Do I stop? His little face. Do I stop? Yeah. That's the things you're saying to me. You have to take care of this now, Gabriel. She's telling me I can't kill it. I'm like, no, you can't kill it. Like, you gotta really take care of it. You gotta take care of him. What is his name? He's Untitled Puppy Project.
I like Mocha.
You still like it, Mocha?
Mocha. What you think?
He's like, where's, he wants more. He's looking for more. Oh, no? Okay, maybe he wants water. How cute. How much are you supposed to give him? Not too much. Then you get a stomach ache.
Just a little bit.
Okay, yeah. Is this honey like special? Did you buy it from like a gourmet store or something?
I believe it's organic. You know what, Mom? Don't make fun of me. These are, look, dog biodegradable wipes for dogs.
Yeah.
So I can get in them.
Oh man, I didn't get you getting her, like grabbing him. I mean him, not her, him. Jeez. Look, the honey made him wake up. Oh my god, he's all over the place.
Oh my goodness. You excited now? The honey did the trick. Wow.
Look at that, he's all over now. What's up? You got all that energy now? Yeah, look at you.
Right in my face.
Oh, how cute.
Best Christmas ever.
Look at that. So cute.
Right? Oh.
Oh, look. Oh my god, his tail is wagging so much.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're so playful
Oh
now.
my god.
Yeah, you're excited now?
Yeah.
Comfortable?
Cutie.
Say hi to Daddy. Say hi.
You're so cute.
Let's do one other
Oh my
side.
god. Oh my god.
Gonna go meet him.
Give it. Aww. Give him the little cutie little thing. Oh my god.
I told you it was gonna be as big as your hands.
Oh my god, he's so little.
Isn't he cute? Michael.
His name is Micah.
That's what Gabby said.
Micah, what do you think of Micah?
I love it. That's a great name.
Isn't that cute?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Our baby. Our first baby.
Yes. What a great family portrait.
And you know he's perfect.
Can I
He's
take a picture?
mixed.
What the heck?
Stop pressing him.
God, look at this family portrait. Get close, Gabby.
He's
And what you
mixed.
said?
He's mixed.
Oh my god, he's black and white. Oh, I love it.
Feel.
He's so little.
Me, so cute. What do you think?
His nose is cold.
Oh,
Yeah.
little Micah.
I don't know about that name.
What?
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
Why not? Yorker now. Look. What do you think?
He's so like. Look, he's eating. He's smaller than all of the animal figurines. Remember, I told you he was going to be smaller than that polar bear? He'll probably get as big as that polar bear, but not any bigger. He's eating, guys. He's eating wet food. And he already pooped on our rug and our floor, but it's okay. Antonio dealt with it real quick.
Please.
What?
This is inappropriate. Don't record me in this moment.
Why?
It's about the dog. Don't show the.
Oh, God.
You sit here with packages everywhere. God, I try to keep your image clean.
Oh shit, he's going in. Yes, give it to them.